here the first question is, as observed from the top of 75-meter high lighthouse. Okay, there is a 75-meter height lighthouse. Okay, lighthouse is, this is in sea. Okay, so when we observe from the top of this lighthouse from the sea level, okay, this is considered, this is the sea level, the angle of depression of two ships, 30 degree and 45 degree, if one ship is exactly behind the other. Okay, there are two ships, one ship is exactly behind the other, so this is C and D. Okay, so here this is the 75-meter high lighthouse. When we see from the top, the angle of depression are 30 degree and 45 degree. Okay, when we see the two ships, the angle of depressions are 30 degree and 45 degree. So this is 30 degree and this is 45 degree. Okay, then what we need to find out here? So find distance between the ships. We need to find out CD. So we already solved this type of question, but here the value is this is 75 meter. Okay, so here again we have two triangles. Okay, so I take this is ABC first triangle. In triangle, so I just write down first AB is, this is lighthouse, which is of 75 meter. Okay, in triangle ABC, tan theta is equals to, again theta, this is opposite by adjacent. Okay, opposite by adjacent. Okay, here opposite is tan theta, theta is 45 degree. When theta is 45, the two values are same because tan 45 is 1. If it is 75 meter means it is also 75 meter. Okay, let's see here. The opposite, this is opposite is AB by, here this is AB by BC. Okay, AB is how much here? 75 meter. So this is BC. So tan 45 is 1. 75 by BC. Okay, you see BC 1 ja BC is equals to 75. See, this is the value of the BC. Okay, 75, this is also 75 when tan theta is 45 degree. Okay, then another triangle we have ABD. So in triangle ABD we have again tan, here theta is 30 degree, opposite is AB and adjacent is BD. Okay, so tan 30 is 1 by root 3. AB is, yes, AB we know that this is 75. We don't know BD. Okay, now this can be written as BD 1 ja BD is equals to 75 into root 3, 75 root 3 meter. Okay, this is the value of BD. So we know BD and we know BC. So we need to find out this one. Okay, we already know that CD can be written as, CD is distance between the two ships. Okay, CD can be written as BD minus BC. BD minus BC. Okay, CD is equals to, BD is how much? BD is 75 root 3 minus BC is 75. Okay, here CD can be written as 75. 75 is common. We have here root 3 minus 75 is outside, so here nothing means 1. So this is the distance between two ships. Distance between two ships. Fifth question is, two ships are there on the sea on either side of the lighthouse. Okay, either side means two sides. So consider this is the lighthouse. Two ships are there. Okay, I take one ship is here, another ship is here. This is AB, this is lighthouse. These are ships. In such a way that the ships and the lighthouse are in the same straight line. Okay, the ships and lighthouse are in the same straight line. The angle of depression of two ships as observed from the top of the lighthouse are 60 degree and 45 degree. Okay, the angle of depressions. So as observed from the top of the lighthouse, there are two angle of depressions are, one is 60 degree, the another one is 45 degree. if the height of the lighthouse is 300 meter, this is the 300 meter the height, find the distance between the two ships. Okay, we need to find out the CD. Okay, this is very simple. The CD can be written as distance between two ships, distance between two ships. So this is CD. CD is nothing but BC plus BD. BC plus BD. Okay, we'll find out for this one. So AB they have given, this is lighthouse 300 meter. AB, height of lighthouse, this is 300 meter. Okay, let us consider there are two triangles again. The first triangle ABC. In ABC, this is tan. So theta, opposite by adjacent. Tan theta is equals to AB by BC. Okay, so tan theta is 60 degree. AB is 300 divided by BC. So this is, we know that this is root 3 is equals to 300 by BC. Okay, so BC stand here, BC is equals to 300 by root 3. Okay, so this is the value of BC. So then we'll calculate for the another triangle. So in triangle ABD, here tan, this is 60 degree, tan 45 degree. Okay, tan 45 is equals to opposite by adjacent. Opposite is AB by adjacent is BD. Okay, this is tan 45, always this is 1 when the 45 degree is there. If it is 300, then it is also 300. Okay, tan 45 1, AB is 300, BD is, we need to find out, BD ones are BD is equals to 300. Okay, just let us simplify this one. Okay, so I just write down this one. So multiply and divided by root 3. Just rationalize the denominator. Okay, rationalizing denominator, what we have here, BC is equals to, okay, BC is equals to 300 into root 3. Root 3 is 3. Okay, this can be written as root 3, 3, 1 ja, this is 100 ja. Okay, BC can be written as 100 into root 3. Okay, this is the value of BC. Okay, now we can calculate easily CD. CD is equals to, this is BC plus BD. BC plus BD. CD is equals to, BC is how much? 100 root 3 plus this is 300. So write down this is in meter. So if you want to take out the 100 common, okay, that is CD is equals to 100 is common, root 3 plus 100 3 ja. Again we can take common or you can just leave it. So just leave here or leave here. I just simplify for your kind information. See, 100 root 3 plus this can be written as root 3 into root 3. Okay. So CD is equals to 100 root 3 is common. We left with here root 3 is common means 1 plus 1 root 3 is outside, the another one is this one. So this is the value of the distance between the two ships. Okay. This question is recently asked state level paper question. Okay, the first question, let us consider the question here. The lighthouse AB, okay, see this is lighthouse AB of height 10 root 3 stands vertically on the seashore. Okay, this is vertically here. A tower CE, there is a tower CE and ship F, okay, there is a ship F here, are standing 30 meter and 10 meter away from the foot of the lighthouse. Okay, these are two. Okay, the tower yes, this is what they have given. The CE is tower and ship is both are away from 30 meter and 10 meter from the foot of the lighthouse. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the top of the lighthouse. Okay, top of the lighthouse, top of the tower, the angle of elevation is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower. Okay, we need to find out the height of the tower, that is C. We need to find out C. Okay, height of the tower. Then I write down here height of tower. Height of tower. And also find the angle of depression formed from this is the top of the lighthouse to the ship. Top of the lighthouse to the ship. We need to find out this angle. Okay, so first we will find out and also they have one more I left here. The distance between the top of the lighthouse to the top of the tower, AE. Yes, we need to also find out the AE here. Yes, CE, AE and angle A. Okay, CE, AE, we need to find out AE and also this angle. Okay. Okay, first we will solve this one. Okay, first I will take here. So if it is 30 meter means I just consider this one D. Okay, AD is also 30 meter. Okay, so first we will calculate in this triangle. In triangle AED, tan 30 is equals to opposite by adjacent. Opposite is ED, adjacent is AD. ED by AD. Okay, so tan 30 1 by root 3. ED is how much? Yes, we don't know ED value. ED is 30. Okay, just write down ED here only. Okay, ED is equals to 30 by, this is root 3. Okay, we will simplify ED here. Okay, just simplify ED here. ED can be written as ED is equals to 30 by root 3. Rationalize the denominator is root 3. So multiply and divided by root 3. Okay, 30 into root 3 divided by root 3, 3. So this can be written as, this is 3 1 ja, 3 10 ja. This is 10 root 3. Okay, this is the value of the ED. Okay, so we have both values. We can easily find out this one. Okay, so yes, this is again, see here. Okay, this is right angle triangle. Okay, so we will calculate by using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so here by Pythagoras theorem, so D is 90 degree means A is hypotenuse. The square and the hypotenuse is equals to sum of the squares of the other two sides. AD square plus ED square. Okay, AE square is equals to AD square. AD square is how much? This is 30 square. Plus ED is how much? ED we know. ED value is how much? This is 10 root 3. 10 root 3 whole square. Okay. AE square can be written as 30 square is 900 plus 10 square is 100. Root 3 can be written as square root get cancel 3. This is 900 plus 300. So totally how much this is? Root, this is 1200. AE can be written as root 1200. Okay, this can also be written as 100 into, okay, 100 into 4 into 3. That is 4 3 is 12. 12 into 100 is 1200. Okay, I just write down AE as 100, root 100 becomes 10. Root 4 becomes 2. Again we left root 3. That is 10 to the 20 root 3 meter. This is the AE. Okay, so we have value of AE. Now we will consider for, so C is nothing but, I just calculated for the CE. CE is equals to, this is height of tower. CE is how much? CD plus DE. CD plus DE. Okay, CD, yes we know CD. This is 10 root 3 means CD is also 10 root 3. Okay, 10 root 3 plus DE. So DE we have already calculated for DE, that is 10 root 3. This is 10 root 3. 10 root 3 plus 10 root 3, 20 root 3. Okay, this is also 20 root 3 meter. Okay, then again we need to calculate for the angle, this angle. Okay, I just take down this triangle, that is triangle ABF in this. So opposite, this is opposite here, opposite by adjacent. We take opposite by adjacent. Okay, so tan theta is equals to opposite by adjacent. So tan theta is equals to opposite is how much? 10 meter. Adjacent is 10 root 3. 10 get cancelled. Tan theta is equals to how much? This is 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 means we know tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Okay. So then theta is how much here? 30 degree. Theta is equals to 30 degree.